Jai Shri Gurudev children. So once you just go on read your lesson number 3, rocks and soil. Okay children. So first you have to read the lesson completely. Okay. Then after you open your textbook page number 20 and complete the exercise questions. Understood children? So exercise first main A, multiple choice questions. First question, which is the hardest rock? Yes, options are diamond, granite, coal and chalk. Yes, tell me among these 4 options which is the hardest rock. So hardest rock is diamond. Diamond is the hardest rock. Next, second question, which soil is used to make pots? Just tell me which soil is used to make pots. Children, so while making the pots, that soil must be very sticky, correct? To give the shape of the pots and all, it must be sticky, correct? So, which soil is sticky among these? Sandy soil, loamy soil, clayey soil, or humus? Yes, that is clayey soil. Potter make pots by using clayey soil. Next, question number 3. Which soil is used to grow bajra? Yes, children, bajra means sajje in Kannada. It's one kind of millet. Okay, ragi. It's same kind of millet. Okay, sandy soil, clayey soil, humus, loamy soil. In which soil bajra grows well? That is in sandy soil. In sandy soil, bajra grow very well. Next question number 4. What do we add to soil to make it more fertile? Yes, yeah, we have discussed this, no? If we want to make the soil very fertile means what we have to add? Water. So if we put water means the plant will grow very well. Next, clay. Yes, clay is already present in the soil, correct? Then gravel. Gravel also will be present. But what we have to add, that is manure. Okay? Yes. So the correct option is manure. If we add manure to the soil, it will become more fertile. Next question number 5. Which of these animals lives in soil? Yes, butterfly, rabbit, lion, elephant. Among these 4 animals, which animal will live in soil? That is rabbit. Rabbit dig and make a hole inside the soil. Correct? So that is called as burrow. Okay, children? So the correct option is rabbit. Next, second main, fill in the blanks. Okay, first one, rocks are made up of small grains called, yes, how rocks are made up of? Yes, rocks are made up of minerals. Okay, so rocks are made of small grains called minerals. Next, question number 2. When rocks break up, dash is formed. Yes, as we discussed earlier, children, first there were only rocks. Then after, because of the changes in the environment, because of the wind, water, correct? Rocks break up to form soil. Very good. So when rocks break up, soil is formed. Next, question number 3. The dark brown or black part of soil is called, okay, so the part of the soil which floats above the water, that is dark brown and black part. Okay, so that is called as humus. Okay, what is humus? So we have discussed, no, the remaining parts are rotten parts of the animal and plants is called as humus. 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 Dash soil can hold air but not hold water. So among 3 types of soil what we have learned, in among them one soil can hold air but not water, that is sandy soil. sandy soil can hold air but not water. Next question number 5. Rice grows well in, yes, rice grow well in which soil? Yes, in clayey soil. In clayey soil, rice grow well. Okay. So next, main C, match the words in the two columns, column A and column B. Okay. Gravel, humus, sand and loam. Here column B, rotted plants and animals made of small stones, mixture of sand and clay. Particles can be seen separately. Okay. Let us see. First one is gravel. Yes, what is gravel? Yes, option A is rotted plants and animals. Is it rotted plants and animals called as? Yes, humus. So that is not suit for gravel. Next, option B, made of small stones. Yes, no children, correct. Gravel made of small stones. So first one matches to B. Next, humus. Okay. Yes, we have discussed this, right? So, what is humus? Yes, very good. Option A is correct. That is rotted plants and animals called as humus. Yes, second one matches to A. Next, number 3, sand. Yes, what is sand? Yes, two options are remaining. Mixture of sand and clay or particles can be seen separately. Yes, so when we were discussing about the layers of the soil, there one layer was there, sand. Okay, how the particles are? Yes, so we can see particles separately. Correct, no children? So that is sand. So 3 matches to D. Sand, particles can be seen separately. Okay, next, fourth one, loam. Yes, loamy soil or loam is a mixture of sand and clay. Okay, understood children? Next, answer the following questions. So, that I'll tell you now, I'll just explain you now, then after I'll send you in a typed format through WhatsApp. Okay, children? So, listen, answer the following questions. First one, you take your textbook page number 20 and listen this carefully. How is soil formed? How is soil formed? So that is your first question. Okay. Over many years, rocks broke into very small pieces to form soil. Correct, no children? Why they have broken into very small pieces? Yes, because of the action of sunlight, water and wind and changes in weather, rocks broke into smaller and smaller pieces to form soil. Understood? Second question, how will you show that soil contains air? What we have to do is we have to take some soil in a bowl, then we have to pour some water over the soil, then after pouring the water into the soil we can see bubbles of air coming out of the soil. Correct, my children? So this is because air present in the space between the soil particles escapes in the form of bubbles. So you might have seen this, no children, while playing outside. So this experiment shows that soil contains air. You do this activity at your home, children. Okay, so take some soil in a bowl and pour some water. Okay, so what you will observe, you'll see bubbles of air coming out of the soil. You'll see the bubbles coming out. So that shows air is present in the space between the soil particles. So that air is escaping in the form of bubbles. Okay. Question number 3. Why can most plants not grow well in? First sub question, clayey soil. Yes, in clayey soil, most of the plants will not grow well. Why? What is the reason? Okay, because the soil particles in clayey soil do not have larger space between them. Okay, there is not much air in the soil. Water cannot go through this soil easily. The soil therefore holds a lot of water and it is sticky. Understood? So this soil holds the water and it is very sticky. So plant roots need both air and water, no children? Correct? To grow. Therefore, most plants cannot grow well in this clayey soil. Next, second sub question, sandy soil. Yes, in sandy soil also most of the plants will not grow well. Why? Why not in the sandy soil? As name indicates, sandy soil contains lot of sand. Understood? So it has larger particles with lot of space between them, and water goes through these spaces very easily. Okay, and therefore sandy soil cannot hold much water. As water goes inside, water comes out from the soil very easily. Okay, so this soil cannot hold much water, so very few plants can grow in the sandy soil. Understood? Yes. Question number 4. Name 3 things that we make from soil. Yes, very easiest question. So name 3 things that we make from soil. From soil, what are the things we make? Yes, tell me. We'll make cement, bricks and glass. Correct, no children? Yes, cement, bricks and glass will make from soil. I hope you have understood these all concepts. Children, if you have any doubt regarding any of the concept, you can ask me. Okay? And write down these neatly in your classwork. Okay? I'll send the question answers in typed form. Okay? You copy that also to your classwork neatly. Okay?